Women don't chase you because of what you say. They chase because of how you make them feel, even when you say nothing at all. Have you ever liked a girl, but you didn't want to look desperate? Or maybe you wanted her to notice you first, but you weren't sure how to do it silently? What if I told you that there are psychological habits, small, quiet behaviors, that make her think about you long before you ever say a word? And what if mastering these habits could change the way women respond to you forever? Before we begin, like this video if this is already speaking to you, and subscribe for more simple relationship psychology. Attraction doesn't start from talking. It starts from your energy, your presence, and your behavior. This video is not manipulation. It's about confidence, self-control, and natural attraction. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 silent psychological tricks that make her notice you, think about you, and yes, even chase you. Let's get into it. Trick 1. The power of calm presence. Some guys enter a room and immediately try to be loud or funny. But the most attractive men, they walk in calmly, quietly, and confidently. Women feel safe around calm energy. It shows emotional control, and emotional control is extremely attractive. Think of that one guy who never tries to impress anyone, yet somehow everyone notices him. He's not doing anything special. He's just present. Your calm presence speaks louder than words. Question for you. Do you think you have calm energy, or do you overthink how you look? Comment below. Trick 2. Controlled eye contact. Eye contact is free, but powerful. 1 extra second of eye contact can build more attraction than a 10-minute conversation. Hold eye contact, just 1 second longer than normal. Then look away slowly, not nervously. There's a moment when 2 people lock eyes, and both remember it for hours. Use that moment. Trick 3. The I'm busy with my purpose effect. Women don't chase men who are always available. They chase men who are focused. Quiet ambition is attractive. You don't need to announce your goals. Just work on them. Imagine you're studying or working on something important, and she keeps glancing at you wondering, what is he so focused on? That curiosity makes her chase, because purpose is magnetic. Trick 4. Subtle, strategic distance. Don't always sit next to her. Don't always stand close. Don't always show high excitement. Give her space to feel your absence. Humans chase what feels slightly out of reach. So be present, but not overly available. Sometimes when you don't sit near her like you always do, she'll think about it the whole day. That's psychology. Trick 5. Mystery through minimal words. Mystery is not about hiding things. It's about not oversharing. Talk less. Say meaningful things. Let your silence build curiosity. Instead of explaining every detail, sometimes a simple, "That's interesting," is enough. Women find selective men attractive. If you don't talk too much, she'll wonder what's going on in your mind. And that's when she starts chasing for answers. Trick 6. The slow smile. A slow smile is confidence. A slow smile is control. A slow smile says, I see you, and I'm not in a hurry. Quick smiles look nervous. Slow smiles look intentional. Imagine she looks at you. You hold eye contact for a second. Then you smile slowly. She will look away smiling. It works almost every time. Try it once. You'll see. Trick 7. Nonverbal signals of high value. Women don't read your words. They read your body language. Straight posture. Slow, deliberate movements. Adjusting your sleeves. Wearing your watch right. Walking with intention. All these things silently say, I respect myself, without saying a word. Your body language can make you 10 times more attractive. Here's the biggest truth. Women don't chase men who chase them. They chase men who match energy, not overdo it. Don't over-explain. Don't rush things. Don't try too hard. Don't always text first. Give her space to miss you. Missing leads to chasing, and chasing leads to attraction. Silent confidence beats loud effort. Always. Attraction doesn't begin with your mouth. It begins with your energy. When you master your presence, your body language, and your self-control, you'll attract attention without chasing it. Become the man who doesn't beg for attention, but attracts it through his value. Question of the day. Which psychological trick do you think is the strongest? 1, 3, or 5? Drop your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.